In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile name. Click on it and a menu will appear. From these options, select Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to the main settings page. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a menu. From here, click on Organization. Once you've done that, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the Organization settings page. Here you'll find the Account Currency field. Under this section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down once and it will show you the different currencies available. Select the one you want for your account and then make sure to click on the Save button. Your currency setting will now be successfully updated. However, it's very important to understand what this change actually does. Changing the currency in Klaviyo only updates the currency symbol that appears in places like your campaign revenue and reports. For instance, if your reports previously showed £100 and you change the currency to dollars, it will now display as $100. It does not automatically calculate or convert the actual value from pounds to dollars. To achieve a real currency conversion, you would need to adjust it from your e-commerce store settings. So, using this option in Klaviyo is primarily useful if the currency symbol in your store differs from the one in Klaviyo and you want to align them. And this is how you can change your currency in Klaviyo.